In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trial in Stripe. To get started, sign into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Product Catalog. This is where Stripe stores the products and pricing options connected to your business, so it's the right place to set up a trial attached to an existing offer. Next, select the product you want to use for the trial. Take a moment here to confirm you've chosen the correct product, especially if you have several similar plans or subscription options. After opening the product, scroll down until you find the trial section. This is where Stripe lets you create and manage trial configurations for that product. When you see the trials area, click the plus button next to it to begin creating a new trial. Stripe will open a form where you can define how the trial should work. Start by entering a name for the trial. Choose a clear, simple name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to create more than one trial option. After that, select the product for the trial, then choose the trial price. This is the pricing option that will apply during the trial period, so make sure it matches the experience you want customers to receive. Next, select the price that should apply when the trial ends. This is an important setting because it determines what customers transition to once the trial period is over. If needed, you can enable the option to transition to a different product when the trial ends. This is useful if the trial is tied to one version of an offer, but should move customers into another product afterward. You can also enable repeat if you want the trial to recur. Only turn this on if it fits your subscription setup and customer journey. Before creating the trial, review all of the settings carefully. Double-check the trial name, product selection, trial price, end price, and any transition or repeat options you enabled. A quick review now can help prevent confusion later. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Stripe will save the trial and return you to the product page. Finally, verify that the new trial appears in the trial section. Seeing it listed there confirms that the setup was completed successfully. That's it. You've now added a trial in Stripe and confirmed it's attached to the correct product. Thanks for watching.